If you're looking for the best heated steering wheel covers, you've come to the right place. We put together detailed information about the top options available today, including features, comfort, durability, pricing, and real customer experiences. Whether you're tired of grabbing an ice-cold steering wheel on winter mornings or you want a more comfortable, luxurious driving experience, this list will help you choose the perfect heated cover. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, Warmatory 12V Quick Heat Leather Steering Wheel Cover. If you dread the shock of touching a freezing cold steering wheel on a winter morning, the Warmatory 12V Quick Heat Leather Cover is your perfect solution. Its main claim to fame is extremely fast heating, warming up in about 60 seconds. By the time you buckle your seatbelt and adjust your mirrors, your hands are already cozy and warm. The soft touch leather feels premium and durable, and the installation is easy thanks to its strong seaming and buckle system. It's a reliable, no-fuss winter upgrade that transforms your daily drive. Pros: heats up remarkably fast, around 1 minute. Soft, genuine leather feels premium. Universal fit with secure installation. Durable construction that lasts. Cons: requires a 12V adapter plug. The wiring may feel slightly intrusive, might be tight on very thick steering wheels. Number 2, ZoneTech 12V Rapid Heating. Universal cover. If you want something simple, fast, and affordable, the ZoneTech Rapid Heating cover is an excellent choice. Its rapid heating system warms up in just about 60 seconds, giving you immediate relief from icy steering wheels. You'll feel genuine warmth before even leaving your driveway. The durable neoprene material provides great grip and comfort, and the universal stretch fit design means installation takes just a minute or two. It's a solid option for drivers who want winter comfort without spending a lot. Pros: heats up quickly, around a minute. Universal fit for most steering wheels. Non-slip neoprene feels comfortable. Easy, tool-free installation. Plugs directly into a 12V outlet. Cons: can feel bulky on smaller wheels, requires the car to be on. The wire can occasionally get in the way. Number 3, USB rechargeable. 5-second suede heated steering wheel cover. If you want the fastest heating on this list, look no further. This cover heats up in just 5 seconds. Yes, 5. It's perfect for quick trips or for drivers who don't want to wait for anything to warm up. With USB power, you can plug it into your car's port or even a power bank, meaning you can preheat it before you step inside. The faux suede material feels soft, luxurious, and grippy. Add in its universal fit and hassle-free installation, and you've got one of the most convenient heated covers out there. Pros: super fast, 5-second heat up, soft and comfortable faux suede. Can run on USB or power bank. Universal, fit secure, non-slip grip. Cons: USB cable can add clutter. Heat isn't evenly distributed. Not ideal for unusually thick or thin wheels. Number 4, Warmatory Luxury 12V Quick Warmer 30-second heat. If you're looking for a balance of fast heating and adjustable comfort, the Warmatory Luxury Quick Warmer is a great choice. Its standout feature is its 30-second heat up time, giving you warmth almost instantly. Plus, it includes 3 adjustable heat settings, allowing you to pick the perfect temperature, whether it's mildly cold or brutally icy outside. The non-slip textured grip improves safety, and installation only takes a few minutes. It's a solid upgrade that brings premium comfort without a premium price. Pros: heats up in just 30 seconds, 3 temperature levels. Secure, non-slip grip. Installs quickly with simple buckles. Cons: a bit bulky on smaller wheels. Power cord may get in the way. Spot clean only, not machine washable. Number 5, Warmatory Luxury 12V Quick Warmer or elastic strap version. This warmatory variant is perfect for drivers who want instant heat with the easiest installation possible. It heats up in 30 seconds, and with its dual control switch, you can choose between 3 different heat levels without fumbling around. The leatherette material feels premium and provides a firm, comfortable grip. The elastic strap makes installation extremely fast. Just slip it on, tighten, and you're ready to go. It's ideal for commuters who want no-hassle winter warmth every single day. Pros: 30-second heating. Simple elastic strap installation. 3 heat settings. Comfortable, anti-slip leatherette. Cons: slightly bulky on small wheels. Requires constant connection to 12V outlet. Power cord may need cable management. Check prices on Amazon, link in description. That's all for today. All product links are listed in the description below. We upload videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay warm on the road.